So whether you travel a lot or you're just trying to make some more room in your house, like maybe you want to put up the winter blankets for the season, this definitely allows you to do that. Now this is a 10 pack. These come in different combinations, but we've got a 20-inch, which would be more like for say a carry-on, and then we've got a 24-inch and a 28-inch, which if you're going to use your luggage, these would be the pieces of luggage that you're going to go ahead and check in with the airline. Now it does come with a pump right here, which is pretty cool. Now once it's charged up, this is good for up to about 100 uses. Super easy to use. On the top here, when you turn it on, it's going to let you know how much power is left in the battery. One touch on, one touch off. It does come with a power cord, and then we've got our bags here too. So the bags actually have a valve right here on the top. What you're going to do is you're going to unscrew that, take the air out, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute, and then we're just going to put the top right back on there. Also, it does come with these little clips, which this is just like a Ziploc bag. So to go ahead and make this easier to close, all we're going to do is take this clip, just going to put it on there just like that, and then we're going to squeeze it with our thumb and our finger and pull it across like that. And that way it's good and tight through here. That way no air is going to go ahead and get out of that. So let me go ahead. I'm going to get a blanket, put it in one of these, and show you how much it's going to go ahead and take all that air out and really compress the size down. So I've taken a winter blanket and I put it in here. And what I really like about these two is that when you flip it over on the back side, it is all clear. So you can definitely see what you have in here. I've got it all sealed up. I'm just going to go ahead and take off this top, put the pump on here and turn it on. And as you can see, I can take my hand off there. That's not a problem whatsoever. It's just pulling that air out and it's compressing this blanket down so it's nice and small. Look at all that. You can push it down if you want, just to kind of get it to the shape that you want. Especially if you're going to be putting this, say, if you have clothes in here and you're going to put in luggage, you just want to make sure it does fit in there. Now that it's pulled it all down, there's no air coming out of here. So this cap isn't to keep the air. It's just to kind of keep it clean and nice looking here too. So you got a cap on there and you're all good here. So that's has shrunk that down quite a bit. Let's go ahead and take this out. I'm going to go show you the size of this blanket, and then you'll see how much it was in here. Look at how it's puffing out real quick. So that's a pretty good sized blanket there. Takes up a lot of room for me in my house. So if I was going to store this, I just put it in these blankets and it's put away for the season and it's ready to go when winter comes around. But these are great for clothes, especially for travel. Makes it so much easier. And I love that I've got a 10 pack here, so I can really put a lot of clothes in here and do all my traveling and store all my blankets and things like that. Hope you found this review helpful.